Conclusion to Lambda expressions, Kotlin. Feeling overwhelmed by lambdas, struggling to grasp those cryptic arrows in curly braces? Watch this video, finally get closure. We'll recap Lambda in simple terms, see examples of how they elegantly solve real problems, and wrap up with clarity so you can code with confidence. Lambda expressions are a powerful feature of Kotlin that allow for the creation of concise and flexible code. By treating functions as first-class citizens, Kotlin enables developers to write expressive and efficient code that is easy to read and maintain. Whether you're working with higher-order functions, transforming collections, or implementing functional programming principles, Lambda expressions in Kotlin provide a valuable tool for achieving your programming goals. Start leveraging the power of Lambda expressions in your Kotlin projects and unlock a whole new level of code elegance and efficiency. With that being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.